Story time with Fergie and friends.
Hello, story time, Fergie and friends. Aunts and uncles, granny, grandpa, and children over there. How fantastic. Here we're reading goggles on. Toby learns to swim. And this is Drowning Prevention Week on the 12th to the 18th of June. Toby's birthday present is a pink swimming costume. I can't wait to wear it. Mummy, can you teach me to swim, please? Says Mummy. I can play in the water with you, but Daddy can teach you. Goody, says Toby. One day after school, Toby goes with her parents to the swimming pool. How exciting. Mummy wears a black swimming dress. Daddy has brown swimming trunks. Let's get your floaters on, says Daddy. Look, puff, puff, there she is wearing her little pink swimsuit. Isn't that pretty and nice? How exciting. Soon, Toby's purple armbands are ready. The water is very blue and the pool is very big. On one end of the pool has 2 foot written in large letters next to it. At the far end of the pool, near the diving board, 10 foot is written on the ground. What does this mean? Asked Toby. One side of the pool is shallow and the other is deep, says Mummy. Beginners start at this side. This is the shallow end of the pool. Use the ladder to climb into the water, says Daddy. Look, there's Ollie and her dad. Ollie is Toby's best friend. Toby and Ollie smile and wave at each other. Ollie's swimsuit is orange and her armbands are yellow. Ollie's dad is wearing green shorts. There they all are, getting in the swimming pool. So exciting. 2 friends have fun splashing around the pool together. Toby's dad shows the girls how to swim freestyle. Lift your arm out of the water, turn your head and breathe in. Pull the water back with your hand, put your head down and breathe out. Toby and Ollie have fun blowing bubbles. When you become a strong swimmer, you can go to the deep end, says Daddy. Yes, Toby practices every day. Level 1, level 2. Oh my goodness me, and a swimming certificate. Toby, happy 4th birthday. She gets a silver award and she joins the swim squad, and at 5 is in the advanced swim class. Maybe when I grow up, I can swim in the Olympics, says Toby. Yeah, says Mummy, and win a gold medal too. That would be lovely, says Toby. Yes, the end. Well done indeed. And then you have an activity section where you can trace this wonderful Toby and Ollie and all the swimsuits and match them all up together. How exciting is this? This is a lovely little book. Here we go, Clever Clogged Books.
With Fergie and friends. With Fergie and friends.